Over here we have your living area where you can place your 3-side sofas. You can see you have space provided to place your refrigerator. Master bedroom where you can place your king size bed. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Westwood by Atco Developers located in Andheri West. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project. We are standing inside the sales office, which is also one of the actual flats of the project, and we will be getting into all details of this project. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now let's talk about the project overview. This project has one tower of ground plus 24 floors, having 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK residences. Also, Jodi options and duplex options are available. Let's now have a look at the amenities. This project has 25 plus amenities with swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, mini theatre, pickleball court, multi-purpose court, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located near to Versova Metro Station, Andheri West, from where Versova Metro Station is only at a distance of 2 minutes, Andheri Railway Station is at a distance of 8 minutes, Western Express Highway is at a distance of 15 minutes, and you have International Airport at a distance of 20 minutes from the project. Also, you have school, colleges, hospital only at a distance of 1 kilometer from the project. And to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. Now we are standing outside the 3 BHK of the residential project Westwood. This 3 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 1052 square feet. As you can see, this over here was your entrance, and this over here is your dining corner where you can easily place a 6 to 8 people dining table and enjoy meal time with your family. Over here we have your living area where you can place your 3-side sofas, center table and customize your TV unit. Also, you will be getting full French windows with half-glass facades to give you a beautiful standing balcony look. Moving forward, this over here is your alley area that has entrance to your bedrooms and kitchen. First, on this side, we have a first master bedroom that you can see is very spacious. You have plenty of walkable space even after placing your furniture. You can place a king size bed along with your side tables. You can customize your study corner, and you will also be getting full French windows with half glass facades. Over here you can customize your wardrobe and also build lofts, and in this corner is your attached washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Moving forward, diagonally opposite to your first master bedroom is your kitchen space where you will be getting an L-shaped kitchen platform. Also, you have an extra kitchen platform on this side with stainless steel sink. You can see you have space provided to place your refrigerator, where you can easily fit a double door fridge, and you can customize your lower and upper cabinets by your choice. As your kitchen is very spacious, and attached to your kitchen is your utility area where you can place your washing machine. Moving forward, besides your kitchen is your next master bedroom. At the entrance, you can see you have a spacious foyer area, and right in front is your attached washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this over here is the space of your master bedroom where you can place your king size bed along with your side tables. You have walkable space even after placing your furniture. You can customize your TV unit, your makeup corner or your study corner, and you will be getting full French windows with glass facades, and we are standing at the actual tower so you can see the actual view from the project. Also, you can customize your wardrobes in this corner and build lofts if you want. And now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Also, this project is on a butterfly layout, so we had bedrooms and kitchen on that side, and on this side we have a third master bedroom. As we'll enter in the third master bedroom, you can see this foyer is very spacious. That gives 100% privacy to your master bedroom, and in front we have your attached washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fitting. And this is the space of your master bedroom where you can place your king size bed. You can customize your wardrobes along with your TV corner or study corner. You can also place your side tables. You can see your walkable space even after placing your furniture. And again, you will be getting full French windows with glass facade to give you beautiful standing balcony look. And this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Westwood. And if you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, have you bought property in this location before? If yes, what are your reviews? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos. So everyone, this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Westwood by Adco Developers located in Andheri West.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.